A spot sound masking speaker is ideal for places where you need to make private conversations more private. It is a standalone product that works by raising the ambient noise level in the area where it is placed. The noise it emits makes it more difficult for the listener's brain to decipher the words in a conversation. Like trying to listen to a single voice in a crowd of people. Adding a spot sound masking speaker in certain areas, like in a hallway outside of a medical exam room, for instance, aids in making private conversations harder to hear and understand.
Because Daryl was excited about going back for that one.
Really?
Yeah. He likes Colorado.
Yeah. Have we been to that show before? I don't think we have.
I really don't know.
Yeah.
I know that's a relatively new one. I know that the GSX show is like the biggest one of all.
Yeah, that's it.
You mentioned Iowa West too. And I always thought that one. But that was probably 20 years ago. So I'm not sure that it's the same type of format as it was back then. Because that was a pretty big deal back then. I would imagine.
Yeah.
It's a pretty big place, but it doesn't necessarily mean it has to be the whole entire trade show.
Okay.
So, Las Vegas, for instance, Las Vegas is big enough that you have 5 simultaneous trades.
Right.
Okay. It'd be interesting to see if there's any that we want to add or any that we want to take away for next year. So.
Yeah, I think there for EDUCAUSE there are 6 going, maybe.
Valcom Spot Soundmasking speaker is ideal for medical clinics, law offices, HR departments, government agencies, financial institutions, and counseling centers.